Hello guys, I'm here in my friend's house. They live in 18th floor. It's outside. The building, you can see the building is very small already because we are here in 18th floor. Somebody is coming. Somebody is knocking the door. They are that's the view outside their house. Their window is a glass window. That's why you can see the sun when it's raining. Somebody's arriving. By Indian saba banana. Gonna boil this for our snack today.